Alrighty guys, we're here at the First Financial Bank building here in Abilene, Texas. Look at that. ThyssenKrupp must be doing a mod here. Let's do a call button. But we are going to take a ride in the last original elevator here. And it looks like they're doing... that's a cool bell. Westinghouse. Modded by ThyssenKrupp. Looks like they get another mod by ThyssenKrupp. That one's gonna be modded. They have like the plastic over the lantern. Okay, interesting. Yeah, looks like Westinghouse. It's getting modded by ThyssenKrupp yet again. Let's take a look at this cab here. This is me in the ceiling high. I mean, it's nice elevators, just... why? They just modded 20 years ago, and I think they're doing a full mod this time. Let's send this one up to 10. That's a nice bell actually. You're off here, right?
Oh, sorry.
Look at that, ThyssenKrupp barriers. And these, you can see, they have a new call button here. Oh, this is the new one.
Oh, looks nice.
Wait.
Those are cool. Guys are working over there.
They're working right next to us.
Yeah.
Very smooth.
Very smooth.
Oh yeah. If you look, that's the original lantern to the left. That's the new one to the right.
Oh yeah.
Send down to 1.
Look at this too.
Oh yeah, that's the original. Probably from the West install. Looks like the ThyssenKrupp is doing this mod, but man, really weird. I mean, these are nice elevators. When the cab is still original. It definitely is.
Thank you.
You bet.
Okay, that one has the original chime. The way the Westy bell. But yeah, that's modded. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.